What's good, people? Back again with another video. I'm back again with a brand that's doing a lot this year. It's doing a lot. Well, not just this year, last year, probably the year before that. They've been doing bits, they've been doing well, and they deserve a lot more props than they're getting. Because Nike will always be everyone's favorite. I think our new favorite needs to be Puma. But before I get into that, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. As we need to get the subscribers up, we need to get the views up, we need to get the likes, comments, shit. We need to get everything up. It all needs to go up. So, as everyone who is a regular viewer knows, I quite like Pumas. And I think Puma's doing very, very well this year. I can also tell you that I have probably the same amount of Pumas as Nikes, or I will soon have the same amount of Pumas as Nikes. This model, however, has not been featured on my channel before, and I've seen it quite a few times, and I really like this model. I don't know what it is about this model for me, but I just needed it, man. So it's the famous Puma green box that's always on my channel. So, you know, the Puma throughout, all that, yada yada yada. Let's get to the good bit, man. So it's the Puma Future Rider Retro in the Puma White High Risk Red. What a name for a colour. Let's get into it, man. So these, they may not look amazing just straight out the box to anyone, but when I tell you on foot, these are so good. So it's like a kind of a retro runner type feel. So it's got the, you know, the retro runner type sole, midsole. It's got that foamy type material. And then it's got the, you know, it's all retro styling. Puma. It actually has words there which says something in German. Since 1948, forever faster. So they're sending shots to some company. They're cussing another company. It's called Rider Foam. So this foam is probably the Future Rider Foam or whatever they want to call it. And then it's got a suede back, a little pull tab nylon material, a very stiff plastic part, leather on the Puma logo. Then it's got I can never remember the name of this material, man. That's actually kind of that's actually kind of like a neoprene type of material, which is actually quite funny. Then the leather tab, suede on the front, the mesh type. It's not mesh. I really need to learn the names of these materials properly. More suede, leather pull tab with the neoprene tongue. Inside, Puma, 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 Puma. And then basically the same on the other side. It's got the pull tab thing again. Suede, the red suede, the leather Puma logo, and the laces are white, but these laces are a bit different to normal laces. I don't know what it is about these ones. I think they're a bit thinner, but they certainly do help the trainer kind of, because they stay kind of in place, and I like laces that do that. They're not just laces that are quite flat and just don't hold shape. So these trainers are actually really nice. I really like these. I've seen so many other colorways. There's a premium type, so all grey one, which I want to get my hands on next. I really like these. Some people, it may not be for them, but right now I really like the retro type runners, you know, the old school, the classic type runners that just kind of throwback trainers or throwback style trainers. So something that looks more classic than something futuristic. Um, Puma's been doing amazing things, and especially with these trainers, the RSX models, the RS, whatever you want to call them. There's so many models that they have, which are just amazing. The colorways in this, I like this one because it's a good, summer type colorway. So the red and white, you can't go wrong. It kind of gives me Air Max 1 vibes, the Air Max 1s with the red and white. Kind of gives me those vibes, but not quite. But you understand what I'm saying. But yeah, I definitely do want to get a few more of these. They are very comfortable, and definitely we'll try the premium, and probably we'll do a comparison video. So the premium version versus these. These ones were really cheap. I got them on sale for like £37. So it's another reason why I really like Pumas, why I really like collecting these type of trainers, because I can get them cheap. I don't have to pay an arm and leg for them, and yeah, I can get the good wear out of them, and they're definitely worth it for £37. Hopefully they're still in stock, so I'll put a link in the description below. If you have any questions or anything, you can ask. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And always, a on foot video will follow this. And take care, people.